The Mitsubishi Outlander Infotainment system, found in models from 2018 onwards, may require resets to resolve glitches. As of 2025, Mitsubishi has issued software updates to address these issues, particularly for 2020-2025 models. These systems integrate navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features in the vehicle's dashboard. There are two main types of resets: a reboot, soft reset, and a factory reset, hard reset. A reboot is a quick restart for minor issues like app crashes. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black. A factory reset restores the system to its original settings, deleting all user data. Access it via Settings, System, Factory Reset. Bluetooth problems can often be solved by going to Settings, Connections, Bluetooth, Forget Device, then rebooting the system. To perform a reboot, also called a soft reset, hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen restarts. This clears temporary glitches without erasing data. For a factory reset, navigate to Settings, then System, and select Factory Reset. Be aware that this will erase all personal data, so back up important information first. For Bluetooth issues, first try forgetting the device in the Bluetooth settings, then reboot the system. If the problem persists, a factory reset might be necessary. Remember to check for software updates via USB or over-the-air updates through the Mitsubishi app. If issues continue after these steps, consider consulting a Mitsubishi dealer, as hardware faults can occur but are less common. According to Mitsubishi's 2025 data, 45% of owners have performed reboots, while 25% have done a factory reset.